connection.
Ah, good. All right. So we are unboxing all of our materials for being a new passport acceptance facility. It's very exciting. And we figured that out of all the unboxing stuff on the internet, there's probably not too many passport acceptance facility unboxing videos. So we want to break new ground and show you all the fun stuff and exciting things that you get to unpack when you become a passport acceptance facility. Oh, look at this packing job. What? Yeah, so we'll start small. Steve Carell unboxes. Oh, look, lots of instructions.
It came with batteries.
Look at there.
Wow.
You don't see that every day.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you, DNP.
Batteries are included.
Yeah. Oh, they're rechargeable. Did you know this?
Oh,
and,
nice.
and a recharger.
Wow.
What?
We're so green.
Yay. Good for us.
Oh.
Is this the actual camera?
It's the wireless, it connects the camera to the printer.
Okay,
And,
cool.
And it's like the interface where you print them and size them and stuff.
Ah, well, that's fun. This just has to sit in the vicinity?
Look,
Okay.
and there's a passport.
What
There's
is
a
an
little
example?
thing. Oh, and some off-brand AirPods.
Cool. So next is the camera. All right. Got a Sony Cybershot. Yeah, it is. Right, we're getting into the spirit. Anyone who cares about cameras, Blair, would know how good this is.
Sony
Okay.
makes great cameras.
Well, that's good to know. They should send us some free ones. Okay.
We had an office cat. The cat would be real excited right now
Oh, yeah.
about all these boxes.
Do you want to take it home for Rebel?
No, she's bad with boxes.
See how exciting this is. Look at this sucker. Oh, yeah. So here is the actual printer. And the tray that I don't know what I'm doing when I'm trying to undo it. So where does this, who sells this entire package?
So, thank you, B&H Photo Video out of New York City. They are my go-to for any camera supplies. And this came in a kit.
Okay. So it's like a new ID or an ID center kit altogether?
It is.
Cool.
Came with a
And we
camera
had
too.
already ordered and gotten in our backdrop, so we just put that up.
There's one more.
Oh, okay, great.
It is, ta-da, the little ID photo puncher.
Oh, so it sizes it?
It sizes it.
Oh, perfect. I
Yes.
wondered
This
how we
is-
were gonna.
This is old school.
So that's basically all of the unpacking for now. We'll get it set up and show how everything works. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That makes it official.